Hello students, today we are going to learn mode of grouped data. In your previous class, you have studied how to find mode of an ungrouped data. If the data is not grouped, the score repeating maximum number of times in the data is the mode. Now, let us study how to find mode of group data with the help of an example. Before that, I will write the formula for finding the mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower limit of the model class. Lower limit of the model class. F1 frequency of the model class. F0 frequency of the class preceding model class. Preceding the model class. F2 frequency of the class succeeding the model class. And H is the class interval of the model class. The classification of children according to their ages playing on a ground is given in the table. Find the mode of ages of the children. Here, age group of children in years is given. The number of children is also given. Now, which is the maximum number here? 43, 58, 70, 42 and 27. So, here 70 is the maximum number. So, the maximum number of children is of age group 10 to 12. So, model class is solution. Model class means it is the class having the maximum frequency. So, this is 10 to 12. L is equal to lower limit of the model class, that is 10. L is equal to 10. F1 is equal to F1 means it is the frequency of the model class. So, this is the model class. Frequency of model class is 70, that is F1 70. F0 is equal to, it is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, before the model class. This is F0 and this is F2. F2 means it is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So, F0 is equal to 58 and F2 is equal to 42. H is the class interval of the model class. So, 10 to 12 class interval is 2. Now write the formula for mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now substituting these values in the formula. This is equal to, what is L? 10 plus F1 minus F0, that is 70 minus 58 divided by 2 into F1, 70 minus 58 minus 42 into H, that is 2. This is equal to 10 plus 70 minus 58, 12 divided by 2 into 70 is 140 minus 58 minus 42, that is 100 into 2. This is equal to 10 plus 12 upon 140 minus 100 is 40 into 2 is equal to 10 plus 12 into 2, 24 divided by 40 is equal to 10 plus 24 divided by 40, that is 0.6 is equal to 10.6. Therefore, the mode of ages of the children is equal to 10.6 years. This is the answer.